As someone that is newly registered in Peritia, when you log into your account, your Peritia account, this is exactly how it's going to be. You say welcome back, sales package, because it's obviously going to be sales package if you really want to do affiliate and task. Welcome back, sales package. We were told that upon registering, you're going to get $3 bonus. The $3 bonus will not be in your aggregate balance, it will not be in your current balance, but it will be in your PRT task. I'm sure you can see it there. PRT task. That's the $3 you are seeing there. Why? Someone will not be wondering, why is it not in the aggregate balance or current balance? Aggregate balance is all the money you have made in Peritia as an aggregate, as an affiliate. All right, I'll talk about that later. The first thing you need to do is click on your profile. Now my profile is open. You go there, select country. If you are Nigerian, you do Nigeria. If you're another place, you do another place. Then please, when you are doing this thing, use Opera Mini. Don't use Google Chrome. Google Chrome will not show you everything. If it was to be Opera Mini, you will see your country, your bank, your account number, and all that. So when you fill it, it will not tell you details successfully, one thing like that. So you've done that. You have already gone to your profile. You've edited your profile, because that place you went to now is to add your account details, so that when you are doing your withdrawals, you go straight to your account. After doing that, you can go ahead and look at the other options, how you're supposed to make money: ebook, games, everything. You can look at spy withdrawal, but withdrawal is still going to show you the same page we just looked at. So now let's go back to the main page. Aggregate balance is all the money you have made, while current balance is the money that is left in your account. Let's say you have made like 400,000 in Peritia, for instance, and you withdrew 100,000 or 300,000 last withdrawal day. Your balance money is what you see in current balance. Then you see that thing we are seeing, that referral link. That is the most important part of this page. That is your link. You just click on copy link. Click on copy link. Then you will get the link. Go and paste it in a place that you can always use it. If you have a mentor, you can go and paste it in the mentor's page. Tell the mentor first, post it on the mentor's page. She or he can delete it from their side. It will not affect you. So anytime you want to refer, you go back to that page and click it. Or if you have the strength to be coming back to your Peritia account, mind you, Peritia doesn't have an app. Most people have gone to download what I don't know from Play Store. That is not Peritia app. That is not Peritia app. Peritia, you still continue to use the link.